Hey, it's Gina with WTI. I've always wanted to make my own soap at home, but I've been intimidated by the process. That's one reason that I absolutely loved getting this kit for making my own soap from Pifito. The kit that I got came with 3 different melt and pour soap bases: shea butter, goat's milk, and oatmeal. It also comes with a silicone mold and 8 different colors so that you can make some really beautiful soap. Now, I'm a total amateur, so here's a couple tips that I picked up through the process. Number 1, it was way easier to use the microwave than it was to try it with a double boiler. And number 2, don't use too much color. I found when I used too much of the color powder, it didn't integrate well into the soap base. So definitely follow the instructions and just use 1/8 of a teaspoon per pound. I was able to use utensils that I already had at home, and I just picked up a used glass cup measure at a thrift store to use for melting down the soap base. The soap itself is silky smooth and it doesn't over dry your skin, which I really appreciate. Overall, I'm so happy with the soap I was able to make with this kit. It was so easy to make the soap, and this would make such a beautiful gift for someone or a fun activity to do at home with your friends or family. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.